Sashank, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Sashank Singh Bhadoria. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my schooling from Mount Carmel School, Indore, and after that, I completed my graduation in Bachelor of Arts from History, Economics, Political Science from DAVV University, Indore, and then I completed my Masters in Economy from DAVV Indore, and my hobby includes cricket and geopolitics.
Hmm. What is the geopolitical news as on date?
So recently, war, warlike situation tends in Iran and Israel.
Hmm.
And yesterday, a, tem- a temple was under attack by Khalistanis in Canada.
I think these two are very important. That's right.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me some current affair news relating to your, what is that? Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, who is the chief minister?
Sir, I am from Madhya Pradesh, sir.
Acha, acha, Madhya Pradesh. Acha, acha,
Yes, sir.
sorry. Your interview
In,
will be where?
sir, Indore itself.
Acha. What about Chhattisgarh, that girl Upasana? Your interview is going to be in which place?
Sir, Indore.
Oh, you have to go over to Indore.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Shashank, which date you have your interview?
Sir, my interview is on 7th of November.
Acha. Upasana also 7th.
Yes, sir.
At what time is Upasana's?
2:30.
What about our Shashank?
Sir, 3:30.
Excellent. She will be returning, coming out when you will be going. Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. So you said you studied political science and finally post graduation is in what?
Economics, sir.
Economics.
Yes, sir.
Economic. Why did you choose economics after doing graduation in political science?
Sir, in graduation, I studied three subjects: history, economics, and political science,
Acha,
in
acha,
which
acha.
I
Oh,
suited it more.
oh. But there used to be one subject known as main subject na, in degree, which was your
Uh,
main subject.
no, sir, all three are main.
Acha, in
मतलब,
Indore it is like
uh,
that. Acha, it's
sir,
okay,
in
fine.
DAV University, we can select three subjects in
Acha,
Bachelor of
very,
Arts.
very good, fine. Economics. Can you name some famous economists of our country?
Yes, sir. Dr. Manmohan Singh, which is famous for LPG reforms and also the governor of RBI and finance minister and prime minister of India,
Hmm.
Professor Amartya Sen.
Hmm.
These two were most important economists.
You can also tell about
Yes,
Raghuram
sir.
Rajan.
Raghuram Rajan, Urjit Patel, and many more.
Some raw. So I have shared today morning a
Yes,
link
sir.
of 10 names. Did you see that?
No, sir.
आप लोग जो कुछ हम शेयर कर रहे हैं उसको नहीं देख रहे हैं, कैसे इम्प्रूव करेगा आप लोग बताओ। हम किसका
Sir,
वजह से आप लोग को शेयर करते हैं? आप बिना
sir, the
देखे होने
problem
से
है.
तो हमारे से मेंबर होके फायदा क्या है तुम्हारा बच? टेल मी। See, I made you as member of the group so that you can discuss with others and get to know more ideas. You are not talking to other members and you are not trying to know, improve your knowledge. So please, that this is what is the how long you have been with us, Sashank?
Sir, approx 15 days, 15, 20 days.
Doesn't matter. Now let me go on to my questions. Please tell me what is inflation?
Sir, inflation is the rise of general rise of price during particular period of time.
Is this correct definition for a MA political science candidate?
Uh, so it can be inflation is the inflation rate is the general rise of price level of any commodity during particular period of a time.
Any commodity line of rise in price of goods and services over a length of time, not immediately, over 2 quarters.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
What is the present inflation?
Uh, Sir, as per September 2024, it is 5.89%.
Very good. This answer is correct. What is GST?
GST stands for, sir, Goods and Services Tax, under which various types of indirect taxes are accumulated to form a single tax in a country.
So, what is the news about GST for the month of October? The GST collection in October has been highest
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1.89 lakh crores.
Yes, sir. Highest ever.
You must tell that. Very good. What is macroeconomics?
So macroeconomics, in which we study the economy of a country as a whole, under which we studied the inflation of a country, financial conditions of a country, etc.
Okay. Now, please tell me, why should a country export goods to other countries?
Hmm. Sir, any country export goods to other countries to earn mainly the earn revenue and to make their balance of payment positive.
To earn foreign exchange so that they can use that funds for when they buy commodities from other countries.
Yes, sir.
For, what is fiscal deficit?
Hmm. Fiscal deficit.
Fiscal deficit is the deficit that is coming in the budget, union
Yes, sir.
budgets.
Yes,
It
sir.
can be fiscal deficit for the state, can be fiscal deficit for the um,
Country.
central
Yes, sir.
government also. Good. In Madhya Pradesh,
Yes, sir.
what are the schemes that are introduced by BJP government after the recent elections for the benefit of the poor?
So first of all, first scheme announced by CM Mohan Yadav was Pradhan Mantri Sikho Kamao Yojana, under which internship is provided to the graduate and postgraduate and 10th class students to earn stipend up to 5,000 to 8,000, 10,000. This is the most important scheme.
Good. Next. Is there any scheme like other states where women are given money freely? वो
Yes,
आया
sir.
ना ये आ गया
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is announced before elections, Ladli Behna Yojana, under which
कितना
monthly remuneration of 1,500 is given.
भाई गुड सब जगह में ऐसा दे के जा रहे हैं
Yes.
गुड इज देयर एनी कंडीशन दैट वन शुड नॉट बी रिच और पुअर लाइक दैट कुछ
Yes,
कंडीशन
sir.
वगैरह है
Yes, sir. There is a condition. If you are an income tax payer and your yearly income is more than 2.50 lakh, then you if you are also government employee, then you are not able to gain it.
वेरी गुड गुड पॉइंट यू टोल्ड करेक्टली नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वी विल गो टू बैंकिंग ओके
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बैंकिंग इन आवर कंट्री
Sir, in our country, RBI stands as a central bank, which acts as a banker to the bank and regulates policies and financial conditions of bank to manage all the banks of the country. And in our country, there are 12 public sectors banks in which majority of the shares is held by the government and many other private sector banks. And there were also some small financial institutions and many digital banking institutions
small
are also there.
finance small finance banks not
Small,
institution
yes, sir, small finance banks,
regional rural banks
regional
foreign
rural
banks
foreign bank.
cooperative banks ये सब बोलना है पेमेंट बैंक्स
Yes, sir.
ये सब बोलना है ठीक है गुड व्हाट इज एनपीए
NPA stands for non-payable assets. If NPA is, sir, if any person not able to pay principal or interest during 90 days of period, then bank consider this amount as an NP amount, NPA.
Can you please again tell me what is the expansion of NPA?
No, sorry, sir, non-performing asset.
You said non-payable asset. That's
Yeah,
it.
yes.
Good. Now, what do you mean by GNPA percentage and NNPA percentage?
Sir, of Federal Bank?
No, no. What is explanation for
Uh,
this? Then tell me what is the figure for Federal Bank.
sir, GNPA stands for Gross National Product. Sorry, sir, gross, and NPA is for net NPA.
Gross non-performing asset, नेट नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट.
Yes, sir.
आप लोग मेरा वीडियोस कुछ देख रहे हैं नहीं देख रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
इतना
Interview videos I was.
इतना दिन से 40 दिन से हम इंटरव्यू चला के चल जाते हैं. आप लोग का पास में कम से कम 1 महीना हो गया. हम तो आई स्टार्टेड कंडक्टिंग इंटरव्यूज फ्रॉम 25th of September.
Yes, sir.
What is CASA accounts?
Uh, so CASA stands for current account and saving accounts.
What is the CASA percentage of Federal Bank? What is
Sorry,
the
sir.
CASA?
Percentage is not
30% and above.
okay, sir.
Around 30%, not even above, around 29 point something, around 30%. Now,
Okay.
why CASA percentage should a bank expect it to be higher or lower?
Sir, because in CASA accounts, mm, payments are deposited by the customers, which helps in providing loans and various other functions of the bank.
Hmm.
It helps in earning of the bank.
Hmm. आपने एक important point बताना है. CASA account, the banks are not paying any interest in current account.
Yes, sir.
Savings account, banks are paying nominal interest of
Nominal
3%.
interest account.
So the cost of the funds is low, and hence profitability for the bank is higher.
Yes, sir.
So banks always would like to have more of CASA account.
Yes, sir.
ये clearly बताना है. After you are telling like this, they are asking, can I open current account? The interviewer is asking, can I open current account? What will be your answer?
Yes, sir. For opening current account, I have to check proper documents. Then you can
Hmm.
open current account.
But you have to say, normally for employed people, savings account is an account recommended.
Yes, sir.
If you are a businessman, you can open a current account.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
correct. So that is how you have to manage that question. And again, in the same interview today, they have asked, this happened in Patna. They have asked, supposing I want to get interest, which type of account should I open?
Yes. For getting interest, saving account is preferred.
Yeah. Supposing I want more interest,
Then you can prefer FD and recurring RD, recurring deposits.
good, very good. These answers are correct. Good. Supposing a person is keeping arrears in credit card, he is not repaying the interest or installments in credit card.
Yes, sir.
Will it become a performing account or a non-performing account?
Sir, if it is within 90 days, then it is not considered as non-performing account.
Hmm. It is
Um,
more than means
um, Sir, then it can be come under NPS.
it can be it is NPA.
Yes, sir.
It is NPA. Will it affect what is meant by credit rating? Do you know the name of credit rating companies? Two or
Yes,
three?
sir.
Mm.
Sir, I have heard about CRISIL.
Mm.
Yes, sir, at moment I remember only one.
Bristle, Ikra, then brickwork, like that. So many things are there. Please get to know that.
Okay, sir.
Now, will this arrears in credit card affect the CIBIL score?
Yes, sir. It adversely
Uh,
affected the CIBIL score of person.
Good. You answered rightly. I'm happy. What is the difference between federal banks and other private banks? HDFC, ICICI.
Yes, sir. Sir, all three are private bank of the country. Uh, Federal Bank mainly focuses on small microfinance institutions and NRI customers, and it Federal Bank branches starts from Kerala and in mainly focus on rural areas of Kerala, and HDFC is Housing Development stands for Housing Development Finance Corporation, and its main focus was on providing housing loans and other loans, and ICIC was started as a um, bank for industries, and now it covers all the other sections of the bank also.
But you told, but some of these points can be told. That is, um, Federal Bank is an old private sector bank. It was opened some 90 years ago.
Yes, sir.
Whereas HDFC and ICICI Bank are latest new private sector banks. For opening such private sector banks, minimum capital required is 500 crores. So using that, these banks were opened. And you also told one important point. Federal Bank was started as a private sector bank, and it is concentrating on commercial banking.
Yes,
Whereas
sir.
HDFC Bank was initially started for housing, now entering into commercial banking. Now ICICI was industrial bank, now entering into commercial banking.
Yes, yes, sir.
So this is the point you can see. Good, excellent. You told nicely that point. When did you pass your post graduation?
Sir, I passed it in 2022.
Last 2 years, what are the exams you have written? Have you appeared for any interview?
Uh, Sir, I appeared for MPPSC, but I not able to qualify mains examination.
Okay. Mm, they're asking like this. People are leaving bank jobs. Why do you want to come to this field?
Sir, because banks are as financial backbone of our country, it provides various types of opportunity and different type of work culture. It helps in improving pupil development, and it helps in many skill development of an individual. And sir, I think it personally suited my personality.
Mm.
That's it.
How will you get me 100 SB accounts within 1 month?
What, sir?
How will you canvass 100 savings bank accounts in 1 month?
Okay. Uh, Sir, for opening 100 saving accounts, first of all, I'll try to connect to my existing customers to get their referral for opening account, and after that, I also open camp nearby, so that nearby customers of bank can join. I also went. I also go to the nearby schools, hospitals, and factories where large number of people are gathered, and convey them to open bank account, and also explain them about facilities given by Federal Bank, so that 100 account target is completed.
Very good. Thank you. What is your father?
Sir, my father is Sailen Singh Badoria. Currently works as a manager in Mediconcept Pharmaceuticals.
You need not tell the name of the person, but tell only the position he is occupying. Mother,
Okay. Sir, my mother is in housewife.
excellent. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies includes cricket and study about geopolitics.
Good. Best wishes. Thank you so much. Go with a positive hope that you will get easy questions and
Yes, sir.
answer well. Best wishes. Attend the interview. Send the questions
Yes, sir.
that they are asked. Thank you. Best wishes.
Yes, sir.
You
कुछ
did.
और
You
improve
you
करना है क्या?
you did. Pardon? Improve तो करना है.
Yes, sir.
Because knowledge wise आपको banking में उतना deep नहीं है.
Yes,
But
sir.
luckily they are not asking deep questions. पूछ रहा नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
Kali, these are the very simple questions they are asking. I think you can manage. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.